Hello friends! Welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory!
Hello friends! Today we are learning big trucks. Big trucks are very strong and they carry heavy things from one place to another. Let's see them. Semi-truck. A semi-truck pulls a long trailer on the highway. Tanker truck. A tanker truck carries liquids like milk, water, or fuel. Logging truck. A logging truck carries big tree logs from the forest. Flatbed truck. A flatbed truck carries large machines and heavy loads. Container truck. A container truck carries big shipping containers. Dump truck. A dump truck carries sand, rocks, and soil. What did we learn today? Semi-truck, tanker truck, logging truck, flatbed truck, container truck, dump truck. Great job, friends!
Learning is fun! Thank you for watching! See you again at Mom and Me Fun Factory!